Hi friends, today's video is on Dracaena plants. Dracaenas are widely grown houseplants because of their tropical appearance, ease of care, and tolerance of low light situations. The name Dracaena comes from an ancient Greek, which means a female dragon. This houseplant popularity may be due to its easy care, tall palm tree-like growth, and many striking leaves forms available. Red Dracaena are known for their striking red coloring, which can vary from pink to deep red. As they mature, they develop woody stems, turn tall, which adds a bright splash of texture to both indoor and outdoor space. Let's start with a quick summary of Dracaena plant care. Place red Dracaena in bright area out of direct sunlight. Dracaena plants grow well in low to medium light, but the leaves will look their best in bright indirect sun. Never place Dracaena in direct sun, as the rays will damage its foliage. Next comes watering. Water Dracaena plant whenever soil surface feels dry to touch. Water thoroughly until it drains out of the drainage hole. Don't allow Dracaena plant to stand in water, as
Feel
it may
free
cause
to hit
root
the
rot.
subscribe button. Thanks
Use
for
rainwater
watching.
to irrigate if possible, as Dracaena react to fluoride in tap water. Alternatively, allow the tap water to sit in a bucket overnight to reduce fluoride content. Empty the saucer beneath the pot after each watering, and don't use cold water. As far as its soil is concerned, Dracaena plants like rich but well-draining soil in a pot with good drainage. Choose a potting soil that contains peat moss to improve drainage. Add some organic matter such as bark or compost for perfect mix. Soil pH should be slightly acidic. Next comes fertilization. Feed Dracaena plant only during growing season between March and September. Apply a standard liquid plant fertilizer every 2 weeks while the plant is in active growth. Do not fertilize in late fall or winter. Dracaena plant grows well in a temperature range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Mist Dracaena leaves every few days to increase humidity. Let's talk about its propagation. The best time to propagate is in the spring when the plant is in early growth cycle. You can also propagate new Dracaena plants from cuttings. Here you can see 3 new plants are shooting up from the base of a parent plant. If you notice brown tips on your Dracaena, the problem is due to inconsistent watering. Trim off brown leaf tips with scissor. Cut off only the damaged tips. If the entire leaf has turned brown, remove the individual leaves at their base. Now let's talk about some benefits of Dracaena plant. Dracaena is one of the most effective houseplants in air purification. It helps to remove chemicals that are linked with several health problems like respiratory problems, anemia, and kidney diseases. These plants remove up to 87% of volatile organic compounds every 24 hours. Placement of Dracaena houseplants will increase humidity in room as these plants typically release about 97% of water they take in. This will in turn help you to control respiratory diseases.
Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this plant. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.